Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is June the 27th and I'm using my new BB Scalper trading system. This system uses the Bollinger Bands. It's my custom indicator along with some oscillating indicators down at the bottom here. Also has these arrows, they're called the super signal indicator. Now you will get an audio sound and this pop-up box right here suggesting to buy and or sell. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer trading the continuation of the London session, which is this area, going into the New York session, that's this area. And of course I'm taking a look at my daily trade plan. And once I decide I'm going to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. Now we can take a look at the daily trade plan. Here's my daily trade plan. It's running in real time, analyzing the charts from the monthly all the way down to the 30 minutes. And within the comments here it'll say look for bullish trades, bearish trades. Sometimes it'll say preferred, as you can see. And every once in a while it's running a little bit flat, like not enough strength. Now after 20 years of trading and many different kinds of daily trade plans, I find that this one is the best one that I came across. And of course, if you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. Okay, now we can check these trades I've taken. The first one was a pound New Zealand. So we're just going to drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. I wanted to be selling it as the market was going down. And of course, the daily trade plan and the super signal right here and here. So I knew I was going to get something, and I'm not looking for 100, 200 pips or ticks on one trade. I do a bunch of trades, 5, 10, or 15 trades at a time. And as soon as I realize that I have well over 200, which today is definitely well over 200, then I just close out all the trades and I'm done trading for the day. So on this first trade, I got in at this cursor, closed out at this cursor, locking in 10 pips, and that paid out $66. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the pound CAD. Here we go. Drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Same situation as the previous pound trade I did. Everything was looking good for shorting. Did this big blue candle right here. Not a big deal. That was the Forex news. You got to be aware of that, but I knew that the overall picture was going down, so just waited for this cycle to be done. So I got in at this point and I closed it out over here as a winner, locking in 13 pips, and that paid out $102. Okay, let's move on to the Dow Jones. Now this one pays $5 for each tick. Let's drag and drop this up. This one I bought. Very clear, right from 6 o'clock. I knew which way it was going to go. So I took the money, divided by 5, and the calculator says it's 47. So I got in at this position right here. Close it out here. I know it went up a lot more, but that didn't bother me. So we're looking for, what did I say, 47. There it is right there, 47 ticks, paying out $235. Okay, moving on to the next trade I did, the Euro Yen. So let's drag and drop this up. Wanted to be buying. There's arrow from the daily trade plan. Super signal was back here. The charts, everything looking good, and I knew it was going to go up. After this bit of a pullback, that's what I was waiting for. Got in at this point. And I closed it out here just being happy. Looks like with 34 pips, and that paid out $242. Another tool I highly recommend is my FibMaster tool. After you get it, you just have to click on this tab right here, and you're going to go from swing low to swing high, right there, there. There's your pullback. Hit entry number 1, and as a general rule, if it hits the entries, it'll usually make it to target 2, 3, 4, 5, and it almost hit target number 6. Now it does have a grand total of 10 targets, as you can see right there. It's a great tool to have. The reason why it works so fantastic is that millions of traders all over the world use Fibonacci. It's a complete full course, well over 3 gigabytes. I believe there's 30 training videos, and I show you exactly how you can trade using this FibMaster tool. Now, if you have any questions regarding this tool, well, just get in contact with me. Moving on to the next trade, pound Swiss, running a check on that. Let's drag and drop this up. Wanted to be selling it. This time I waited for the pullback, which was tradable, by the way. But right on this red candle, I knew in real time that it was going to go down, and down it went. And so I pulled the trigger right here, and looks like I locked in around 19 pips, and that paid out $250. Okay, moving on to the DAX 30. DAX 30. So from 6 o'clock in the morning, I knew right away it was going to go up. And everything telling me, the daily trade plan, the super signal, going to drop it, probably going to drop it down to the 5 minutes so I can get a reading on it. So there's the 6 a.m. Bit of a pullback here. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. So we had lots of blue arrows here. Everything suggesting, top and bottom, that it's going to go up. Multiple entries. This is an excellent one to trade, this DAX 30, especially in the method or video series that I called How to Make 10K a Day. There's many entry points on this one, especially on the 5 minutes, and you can definitely grow your account really fast on this DAX 30. So I took the money and I've divided it by $3.75. Calculator says it's approximately $2.95. Imagine if I stayed in the trade, I would have made probably 3 times that amount. But I was happy when I closed out. But anyhow, we're looking for $2.95. All the way to the top up there is over 1,900 ticks. But I was happy with the $2.95. That's as close as I'm going to be able to show even on the 5 minutes. 295 ticks paying out $1,106. One more trade to look at, gold. Gold, here we go. We're going to drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. This one here I wanted to be selling. Easy to see. You know, just looking at the charts, it's going down. Everything suggesting super signal, daily trade plan, and away it went. Got in at this point. Does pay $10 each tick, so easy to see it should be 114.9 or 115. Let's see if I can find any of that. There's the 114. There's your 115. So 115 ticks paid out $1,149. So another great day of trading. Great way to end the week. And of course, I knew it was going to be well over 200. pips and or ticks. The grand total came to 533. And all of those pips and ticks, as you can see, paid out $3,152. Now, if you have any questions or you want to get your hands on anything at all, well, quite simple, just get in contact with me. That's very easy to do. All you got to do is look right below this video in the description. You'll get my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now, it's quite simple. Just pick up the phone and call me. And I do answer the phone, unless I'm busy, of course. And of course, if you can't call me directly, well, just send me an email. Now, I do prefer Teams. So I made a Teams invite for you. All you got to do is click on it. We'll have a connection. And at that point, we'll be able to talk live, do screen sharing. Should be able to answer most of your questions. Now, also in the description, you'll find 5 different packages. Recommend get as much education as what you can afford, because that's one of the 5 things that you're going to need to succeed at trading. That's a lot of education. So now you'll see that each package I do charge $250. Have a special offer that if you buy 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 3 packages for free. Well, looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, till the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.